Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme U1 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video in Realme U1 smartphone. First, open camera in your phone. And there will be option slow MO. Just click on that. Now record a video that will be recorded as slow motion video. Just record this video. I am writing something on my notepad. I write it in normal ways. Now I am finishing this slow motion video. This is the video I have taken. Now I am playing this video. For first few seconds it will be like a normal video, but after that it will be a slow motion. See here, the video is playing in slow motion. So in this way you can make slow motion video in Realme U1 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.